morning, students. This is Kiran sir from Salabai Vanmadi School of Scholars. Today we deal with the English textbook, and this is your textbook, English textbook. So everyone catch the textbook. See here, revise New Oxford Modern English course book 5th. So already you have this textbook. So catch it and open it up pages. So when we are discussing about textbook, see the content here. There are a lesson from first lesson, the word in a wall, Gerald Durrell. Last is that the king keeps his appointment. So these are the lessons, and some have poems here also. So this is your textbook, and now we are going to deal with this textbook, and this is the first lesson, the word in a wall. The word in a wall, this is written by Gerald Durrell. Actually, when you concentrate on the title or heading of the lesson, the word in a wall, this means animals or insects having in a wall, that insect having the word, और उनके लिए ये words है. So that's why the word in a wall, दीवार के ऊपर की दुनिया. So that's why this is the meaning of the title and written by Gerald Durrell. So let's we discuss about the author Gerald Durrell. Turn your page number 14. They're having idea about the author, about the writer. See there, page number 15. Gerald Durrell, 1925 to 1995, was born in Jamshedpur, India. He was an English naturalist, zookeeper, conservationist, author, and television presenter, but he is perhaps best remembered for the books he wrote about his life as an animal collector and enthusiast. Durrell was taken to a zoo in India when he was very young. See, concentrate on that line. Durrell was taken to a zoo in India when he was very young, and he said that this was when his lifelong love of animals began. So according to that, this is the story of an autobiography of Gerald Durrell, and we just read about regarding the Gerald Durrell information. This is the whole information regarding the Gerald Durrell, and this is the autobiography of Gerald Durrell. So what is meant by autobiography and biography? It's a small difference. Autobiography written himself about own life. This is called the autobiography, means Atmacharitra. When you are discussing about the biography, this is written by third person and वो किसी के बारे में लिखता है. This is the biography, but this is the Gerald Durrell's autobiography, and meaning of the autobiography is an account of a person's life written by that person. उसके बारे में लिखा गया है और उसने खुद ही लिखा है. So that's why this is the autobiography. Okay, let's start reading the lesson. We will start the lesson. See there, page number 11. This extract is from Gerald Durrell's autobiography. Actually, already I given the meaning of the autobiography. My family and other animals. This is the name of autobiography. Durrell was an expert in studying animals. Actually, when you discussing about the information of Gerald Durrell, in that introductions also, we understand that Gerald is the fond of animals. Durrell was an expert in studying animals. When he was 10 years old, his family moved to Corfu, an island of Greece. जब वो 10 years के थे तभी ही वो इंडिया से वो ग्रीस में एक आइलैंड है कोरफू नाम का, वहां पे वो माइग्रेट हो गए टू लिव विथ गेराल्ड Durrell's older brother Larry. So this is the Larry is the name of the Gerald Durrell's older brother. It was here that Durrell began to collect and keep animal as pet. So it was here Durrell began to collect and keep animal as pet. So everyone knows that what is the meaning of pet. So many families having in our India and in world also belonging to the pet, having to the pet. कोई कुत्ते पालता है, कोई पैरोट्स पालते हैं. So according to that, the Gerald Durrell mostly fond of the animals, insects also and birds also. So that's why the name of this Gerald Durrell's autobiography, my family and other animals. This is the autobiography, and lesson is the word in a wall. Properly you understand what is the meaning of the lesson. So I hope you understand properly. Before that, we finish the periods. Before that, you people read out the whole lesson, underline the hard words, and after that words to know. हमारे टेक्स्ट बुक में दिया गया है मीनिंग ऑफ दैट सेंटेंस वर्ड्स. यू हैव टू राइट इन योर नोटबुक. अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट, द राइट द टाइटल नेम, author name, and write the hard words in your notebook. We will see more explanation about this lesson in a next period. Okay, thank you.